Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pay your $800 LLC fee online. First, navigate to your state's official Secretary of State website. This is the only authorized portal for these payments. Once there, look for the Business Services or LLC section. You'll need your LLC's entity number to proceed, so have that handy. This online method is the most efficient way to ensure your payment is processed correctly and on time, avoiding any potential penalties. After finding the correct section, you'll typically need to log into your business account. If you don't have one, you might need to register first. Once logged in, carefully review your LLC's details to confirm everything is accurate. The system will display the $800 fee. Choose your preferred payment method. Most sites accept major credit cards or e-checks. Double-check all entries before finalizing the transaction to prevent errors. To avoid common payment issues, always confirm all details, especially the $800 amount and your payment information, before clicking Submit. After a successful transaction, you will receive a confirmation number. It's crucial to save this number and print or save a digital copy of your receipt. This serves as proof of payment. If you encounter any technical problems or have questions, contact your state's business division directly for assistance. Once your payment is submitted, it typically takes 1 to 2 business days for the transaction to fully process. After a few days, it's a good practice to revisit the state's website and check your LLC's status to ensure the payment has been successfully applied and your entity is in good standing. This proactive step helps confirm compliance. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.